We are going to be looking for barn owls. Good evening, welcome back to the channel. My name's Brendan, I'm the Wessex Wanderer, and I'm a wildlife and landscape photographer based in Dorset. So, this evening, it's a beautiful evening down here. I am challenging myself. I have only brought my Canon R7 and my Sigma 150-600. Nothing else except the camera I'm filming on. And that's because I'm trying to do something very specific today. We are going to be looking for barn owls. Just to show you how beautiful the evening it is. This is just down the road from my house. A few cows in there in the field. Now, because my hand is currently holding onto this rather heavy setup, I'm not able to zoom in. But yeah, it is lovely tonight. So, just filmed myself walking, you know, as you do, YouTube. And come check this out. Look, this is a bird that is newly fledged, not quite, it's been predated, probably by a larger bird like a buzzard. Can't tell what this was at the moment. Oh dear. Could have been a juvenile pigeon looking at that. And whatever got it, as I say, maybe a buzzard, has left behind some mess and will probably be back. Oh dear. Well, that's nature, isn't it? You know, sad day for the baby chick, good day for whatever killed it, and if it's feeding its young, that's part of it, isn't it? Anyway, on we go. Getting close to the field now, just down this track to the left. I don't even know if this barn owl is going to be there. My amazing partner, and I'm going to keep my voice down now. So, we were walking through a couple of weeks back, and my amazing partner spotted this barn owl on a stump way off in this field. And I came back twice looking for it, because once they found a field they like, they often come back to it. And I have seen it. And I spent an hour camped out in this field. Gave up, you know, the light was fading, only to find out it was in the field next door. And had been there. I was sitting about 10 feet away from me in a tree behind me. So, fingers crossed tonight we get some owls. So, moving up through this, got giant hogweed over here, as well as, ouch, stingy nettle, whoa, as well as, what's it called? Cow parsley, that's it. So I'm gonna set up camp just here where the camera's facing. And let's see if we can get anything. Did you see that? The barn owl. It's here. It's gone over into the other field. I'm gonna wait and see if it flies back. Okay, so the barn owl's flown off that way. And I'm just waiting very quietly. It definitely knows I'm here, flew right towards me. I didn't have this on. And it's just whether it's going to trust me enough. We'll see. I can hear wrens, blackbirds, robins, lots of jackdaws in this area as well. Right, I don't think they're going to come back into this field. When I walked in, they were so close, they were only about 10 meters away from me. So, oh, done it. So I think I must have startled them, obviously. So they may be in that field. So I'm gonna go round and see if I can't get them. Try and bring you guys along with me. Right, the last time, it was just up here on a tree. When I came back out of the first field into this second one. So I'm going very slow. That's the second field, with the beautiful hill up top. That's the view from my garden. It's not rained for a while, but the ground is still muddy here. This was a bad day to choose to wear trainers and not hiking boots. Been out for like an hour and a half. Not a single photo to show for it. That's wildlife photography, especially when you're trying for something very specific. There have been other birds around. There have been dunnocks and blackbirds and jackdaws and some fighting green woodpeckers, but it's really dark and they're all far away. The moon's coming up. Maybe that's the picture I get from today. Anyway, it's getting too dark for this lens now. It's 6.3 at the long end, and the focus isn't good enough with the R7 in this light. Not that the R7 is the problem, it's the Sigma. And my hay fever is kicking in. This is going to be a mission. This is day one. There's going to be other days. If you've made it this far in the video, thank you. I will see you in the next one. Cheers.